Pass the Dutchie bunny left hand. Pass the Dutchie bunny left hand side.
Pass the Dutchie from the left hand side. Pass the Dutchie from the left hand side. We gonna back. Animotica done.
Yeah, what's good? It's your girl Dutchie Monroe, and I would like you to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for whenever I post another video. You will be notified. Yeah. Also, take a look at the description box. I am now a Curl Bible influencer. You can go check out Curl Bible and see all their hair, skin, and beauty products there is for purchase. And after you get whatever you like in your cart, go to the promo code box. Type in Dutchie23 and get a discount off your entire purchase. And being that this is a product video, I would just like to show you guys what y'all can receive. All of y'all out there can receive from Curl Bible. With me being an influencer, I couldn't promote Curl Bible without having a couple of products that I handpicked myself, right? So let's open up this baby and take a look and see what we have here. So I got me just a couple of things to start off, right? So I got to pick. Now I've been considering getting one of these bad boys for the longest, but because I've embraced my more voluminous hair, I would like to fluff it and pick it out more and actually stretch it properly. And I feel like I don't do that properly with combs, so boom, I got to pick. Next is a scalp stimulating deep conditioner made by LaJ Ashley. I got this to focus more on my scalp care, right? To ensure my hair is growing at the root, you know, the beginning. It's the healthiest state. I mean, the oldest part of your hair you should care for, but the scalp is what produces the healthy hair. It's what's going to hold the strands in place and slow down the shedding a little. So anything to make my scalp better is definitely a need right now. This I will use on my detox days, I think. I'm not too sure. What got me is that it's a deep conditioner in a regular conditioner bottle. Like, what is that? So I want to see the consistency and how it really works on my hair. Like, it does say on the bottle to shampoo and then leave it on for 15 to 30 minutes. It's a great detangler, and we shall see about that. It's mint tea in it. It's supposed to stimulate your scalp and relieve the itching. And my scalp has gotten better since the last, I've been sticking to my regimen and all that. So this is just an added benefit to throw in. All the ingredients are natural and it's pronounceable, like you can read it. So you know it's real. Okay, you know it's real. And lastly, I got me a Christy No Limits matte lipstick. However, it does say on the bottle wireless. I don't know. That's not my doing. This is just to add to my lipsticks because, I just like lipsticks. I'm doing the makeup now. You see me, right? You see me. As you can see, this is me trying it on for the first time. It's nice. And it's a good shade. It's a good shade for a new lip at that. It also looks like it stays on after it dries. Hey there. This whole order was under $50. And with my discount code, you're getting a great deal. So let's move on to another product box that I want to open. My aunt has started an online jewelry boutique. And of course, I had to support the black business. Yes. If y'all haven't heard, Paparazzi gives you your own jewelry store where you can sell jewelry all on your own and the proceeds come back to you. I love jewelry, so why not? And the stuff is affordable. Yo, all the items are just $5. So let's take a quick look at all the stuff that I got. So we have earrings and they're named Dazzling Debonair Black Post Earrings. They hang, they bling, they are stylish, and they give a different flair to your normal colored earrings. Hello. Next up is a necklace earring combo that is named Socialite of the Season Pink Necklace. It's a light silver chain with a slightly medium pink stone ball hanging from the end of it with a couple of chains like a tassel of a graduation cap. The earrings hang with the same stone, just a tad bit smaller. And now we have the gold silver urban bracelet. It's a link chain bracelet with a string wrist tie, comfortable and not too fancy, so you could wear it with casual clothes. retro brass hoop earrings. These are small, stylish, half, 3/4 hoop earrings, not too heavy, and it's a nice pretty black design on the flat side of the hoop, giving it a little bit of jazz and a little bit of style. Last, we have another bracelet like the silver one, but this one is gold, and it's called the Score Copper Urban Bracelet. And this one also has a string wrist tie, good for casual wear. So I kind of lost the hoop earrings and the bracelet. I don't know when, don't know how. So yeah. So that was my purchase. This whole order totaled under $30, including shipping and handling, and it didn't take more than a week to come in the mail. So if you know anyone who has a paparazzi store, go support them. If you would like to support my aunt, her store link will be in the description box along with my Curl Bible link. And to close out this video, I would like to leave y'all with this. Damn, my hair smells good. Oh my Jesus. Winning doesn't always mean being first. Winning means you're doing better than you've done before. Bonnie Blair. So until the next time, guys, peace, love, and prosperity. Later. Yeah. Girl, but I did do it. I did, right? Like, it's just in my mind. Like, as I'm talking, it's just like, why did you do that? That's gonna be in the video. Do you got asthma, sis? Forget to go and pick up your hoop. Oh, Jesus. I think I just brought my hair up. Don't forget to come and pick up your hoop. Feelings. Down, down, down. Down, down, down. So can you stop playing in your hair, sis? No, for real. Stop playing in your hair.